Police Appreciation Night. I'm sure that's Ryan, the first speeding ticket down here at the number 19. Well, 8 trucks are ready to go. Brought to you by Lane Automotive. And Jason Barrett's at 223 going to share the front row with Jim Belts in the 96J. Aaron Lunk, number 11, inside row 2. Outside by James Singleton, the orange number 56 machine. Down to turn 1 we go. Good matchup so far. One lane on the outside goes 96 of Jim Belts. Here comes the number 92. Curtis Rice going to run the second. And back in the third. Jason Barrett in that yellow. Good 23 Bounce lead by a truck lane over. Fast closing Curtis Rice into number 92. James Singleton here down 5. That's Connor East, James Snyder, and the number 14 machine. That'll be Cody Stark. Field coming by. See you later. We got feature. Got the 56 facing the infield down at turn 2. And that'll be James Singleton from Centerline, Michigan. Well, good race. Here is your top 2. Jim Bounce, Curtis Rice, 2 past champions. And Jason Barrett, here it comes, your third place machine, the yellow number 223. Rest of our field going to have to play catch up. Down there at turn number 2 for the 56 of James Singleton. And we see the IMC modifieds in the pit staging area. They'll be coming up shortly.